Good morning, ladies, gentlemen. How's everybody doing on this glorious day? The day of Thursday. Let's call it that. It's what I call a beautiful day. It's 43 degrees right now. High of 48 today. So we're in the positive temperatures. So how bad can it really be? How bad can it really be? I actually have not recorded a vlog, and believe it or not, about 3 weeks. Although I've been uploading steady, I have not made a fresh one in a while, and I'll explain why. But I don't know if I'll explain why right this second, because it's a separate discussion as well. But on this glorious day, there's a lot to do. I got a whole list of things that I got to accomplish at work and then for personal reasons, but I got a good start already, and it's only 8 o'clock. I got a couple of things accomplished, so that's good. Come on, buddy. You're gonna go? Maybe, kinda. Look at that. It's like a moped rider who showed me how to do it. Showed me how that's done. One thing I did this morning was list a bunch of things on eBay, so that's pretty cool. Selling like 5 or 6 things, random things around the house. Like, that's one thing I wanted to talk about is eBay and using it to buy and sell parts, because whenever I need a part for this bike, if I was to buy a brand new OEM, because I like to buy OEM parts. I mean, some things I get third party, but for the most part I do OEM. But if I was to buy OEM parts for this bike every time, holy potatoes, I would never be able to afford to own this thing. Like, any part you look at, because this is like pretty much dead stock. They don't make these parts anymore, you know. Ducati doesn't make them anymore. So every little damn thing is like $200, $400, you know, and sometimes they're cheap, but you know, whatever. But eBay, you buy something that's supposedly used, but not even, you know, like it would be like in brand new damn condition, and you know, and you buy it for a quarter of the price, a fraction. It's a beautiful thing, I tell you. And on top of it, you could sell your old stuff. So right now I'm selling like 3-4 motorcycle parts, then I'm selling some shoes, I'm selling some electronics, you know. I got like a old Dell tablet and like iPhone 6 and like random stuff. I just every couple of weeks, or every couple months, I guess, more realistically, I go through all my crap and just sell a bunch of it. And you know, you make a couple $100 or whatever, but it's you're decluttering your house, you're throwing stuff out, like, because I like to have a minimalistic household, I'd like to think. So yeah, so you're decluttering your house and making money. And that guy has the worst choice of shoes ever. And look at that cop turning left from the right lane, not giving a fuck. No fucks given. Yeah, that guy's little boots, little shoes would fly off so fast, it would be hilarious. Yeah, there's gonna be some pow. Ooh, look at that. That guy was riding like a douche. That's not a smart cookie there. I'm gonna go to the left. Really wanted to split here, but that pow, that unmarked pow is fucking it up for me, bro. I'm not trying to get any tickets. Savagery. All right. Let me see if I could split a little bit. Don't want to split too much. there. Messed up my whole little flow. But another beautiful thing besides eBay, oh man, well yeah, eBay. Am I done talking about eBay? Maybe. But I'm telling you, sell some shit, buy new shit. It's pretty fun. Big fan. And another thing is camping. It is damn near time. It's sad because last year around this time I was already camping, but this year it's been like 30 degrees at night. And then, you know, I'll be honest with you, I am not a huge fan of cold temperatures at night when camping. I've never even really camped in cold temperatures, so you know, what do I know? But yeah, this mirror for some reason is just not copacetic. Anywho, might have to split ahead, boys and girls. The POW unit. I was going to go local over here, but the POW unit is kind of slowing me down, so don't want to mess with the POW. So I might stay on the highway. Goddamn shame. Just don't need no games from the POW. The POW. Why am I so scared of the POW? Ha. Just don't like them. And people ask me, have I had many interactions with the POW around New York City? The answer is yes, I have. I've had a couple of interactions with the POW, and all of them ended up with me getting tickets. So whenever I see the POW, I stay away from the POW. Me and POW don't get along. I should have, you know, went local though, because that could have been prettier. That could have been funner. But I'm not trying to. I'm not trying to get too crazy now. Because look at this. Yeah. If I go this way, it's going to be trouble because... See that pole right there? That pole would not let me fucking go through. Yeah. Not worth it. The pole. This mirror is all out of whack. I got to figure it out. My right mirror is being wacky tobacky. You know what I mean? But yeah, it's camping weather. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. The first camping trip I'm gonna try to do myself. I'm gonna try to go solo dolo. But we'll see how that works out, because that's what I tried to do last year, but always somebody ended up joining me, which is fine. I like camping with friends, but I also like camping by myself. So we'll see. With any luck, 2 weeks from now, a touch of camping will happen. Look at these hooligans. Why are they going 20 miles per hour? Nobody knows. And that building is getting... Well, it's already removed. To the right, there was that parking lot I've been kind of keeping an eye on. Going to be interesting to see a big-ass tall building come up, because I'd imagine the building that's going to be in that empty lot that we just passed to the right is going to be like 20, 30 stories at least. Look at these savages. What is the meaning of this? Go ahead, lady. You got it. You're welcome. My pleasure, lady. Don't even stress about it. You totally got it. So it's Thursday, which means it's Park Anywhere Day, which is a good thing. It's a positive thing. Look at that. Ooh, I do like that color. That's a dope color. Khaki. Huge fan. I'll go straight, I guess, just because don't want to get stuck behind the bus. At the same time, there could have been a parking spot closer, but now we're gonna have to explore. Go ahead, lady. You got it. Go ahead, laddie. You got it. We're gonna take a little left to Rue Banzai. This fucking turn here, not a huge fan. It's a little wet cobblestone action, so we'll keep it slower than normal. Spot right here, but we'll take a look and see what else is around. Ooh, look at that little Porsche. Sexy. Did you like it? It's a weird temperature. It's kind of funny because I just started getting cold just now. I was not cold this whole damn time, and now I'm like, huh, maybe I am cold. It's gonna be all right though. It's gonna be okay. Parking spot here, parking spot there, parking spots freaking everywhere.